guys, thanks for joining the Hair Bow Master today. We are going to be making some fabric butterflies. And what you're going to need is 2 pieces of fabric. Right here I've got 2 pieces that are about 3 inches wide by about 1.5 inches or so. And you're just going to fold them in half so you know where your half mark is. And then, and you could just double them up so that when you cut them they're even. So just stack your pieces of fabric together, fold them in half, and then get your scissors out. We're going to cut from the bottom, middle kind of, to the top right corner in a rounded kind of motion to make the wings. So just cut from right about that middle and go all the way up to that top corner. And you'll have 2 pieces that look like half circles. And what we're going to do is lay them out to where the long sides are both pointing out, and we're going to sew it right from the long side to the rounded side on our bottom piece, and then from the rounded side to the long side on our top piece. And that way the wings are both kind of coming up on each side. So just sew them right across the middle where you made that crease. And you could put both of them on the needle and then just kind of cinch it in the middle and pull your needle through. And since it's really thick in the middle, this is where our pliers are going to come in handy. You can take your needle nose pliers and it'll help you pull that needle through. So you just grab the needle and pull it through, and that helps a lot. And for the thread, I like to use embroidery thread. For 1, it's stronger, and for 2, it makes really nice little butterfly antenna. So you just wrap it around a couple times and then tie it up near the top of the butterfly. And you could do a couple of knots. I recommend doing a regular knot and then do a square knot, and then do another regular knot. So that way they lay right and they're knotted enough that they're not going to come apart. So I'm doing a square knot, so that way it turns it so that they're both pointing the right way. If you find yours are pointing kind of sideways, just give it another good knot to kind of turn it. And then what we're going to do is you can fluff out your wings and everything so that you can see where the 2 inside points kind of meet. And then we're going to take some glue and just put a little dot of glue on the inside part of the wing. You don't have to do this. I like to do this because it just helps the butterfly kind of set correctly. So just do that, the same thing to both sides, and then your butterfly will be ready. As you can see here, for the bigger one, these are about 6 inches by 3 inches, so they're a lot bigger. And what you do with the bigger ones is the exact same thing. You're just going to fold them both in half and do your cuts and sew them right on up the middle. Okay, these are the 2 that are side by side. The bigger one could be a good hair bow, the littler one could be an embellishment. And that's all there is to it. So thanks for joining us, and I'll see you in the next one.